We got this customized motorized blackout shade for the window down in our basement. Our basement is an area that we enjoy playing with our children or also entertaining family and friends. This shade was customized to perfectly fit our window, and we are very happy with it. It looks very nice. The one that we have here is in a gray and white color, very neutral, and it matches everything, so we're really happy about that. This is energy sufficient, so it is rechargeable. If you charge it for 6 hours, you can get about 600 uses. It also has a capability of being charged by solar, but you can charge this with a USB or also one of those power banks. It comes with the shade that you need to install, which was very easy to install, and it comes with instructions for that. It comes with a remote control, so you can control this right here or from across the room, and then also your charging cable. And this is also very safe for your children to use and operate. It is blackout. You just press the down button one time and it's just going to go all the way down. It's very quiet and it goes down very slowly and smoothly. And as you can see, it really blocks out all that light that was coming through the window. I'm gonna put it up. And then the middle button here, if you just want to stop it and have it stop halfway up, you have that option as well. So this has a lot of great qualities about it, and it is very suitable for our basement where our children play, and we are very excited to have this.